Oh, time for my cookies to go in the oven. Did you know my exhibition was on cooking? This is why I'm making cookies. My issue or opportunity was to try and make chocolate chip cookies gluten-free. It was important to me and my family because we have a lot of close friends who are gluten-free. Some of my driving questions were, how can we make a recipe gluten-free without changing the taste too much so the cookies still taste good? I incorporated the design cycle into my maker project by researching. I read a book, researched on the internet, and interviewed a friend. These 3 things helped me come up with a plan. For my plan, I planned a taste test with some of which were blindfolded taste tests. My family's feedback helped me improve my cookies a ton. What went well for me was every time I made the cookies, the batter looked really good. Something I overcame was that I burnt a batch of cookies and didn't spray a cookie pan. I learned to always set a timer and spray pans.
What I have learned from this experience is that gluten-free cookies taste better than gluten-free half-sugar cookies, but gluten-free half-sugar cookies bake better than gluten-free cookies. My thinking has changed because at the start of the exhibition and when I was baking the cookies, I thought that the gluten-free cookies would bake better because they had little more sugar in them than the gluten-free half-sugar cookies, but turns out it's the other way around, and the gluten-free half-sugar cookies bake better than the gluten-free cookies.
Oh, time to take my cookies out of the oven. Bye.